Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook perfect steak every time. For me, as professional chef who already cooked hundreds of steaks in my life, it's easy to cook the steak where I like by just touching and feeling the meat. But I know, for many of you guys who are just home cooks or beginner chefs, can be hard to cook the steaks. So if you're interested how to make amazing steaks at home every time, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you right now. I got this amazing New York strip today, guys, and if you get steak like this, it would be shame to don't cook it properly. So first of all, you have to take the steak out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking, so it gets nice room temperature, and then we can start with the seasoning.
I'm gonna use salt and pepper and then some garlic and thyme later on. Just make sure you season the steak properly on every side. This is a big piece of steak, so you wanna be generous.
So I got my steak ready, but before we start cooking, I wanna show you my favorite thing in the kitchen, and this is the meat thermometer. This tool gonna help us to cook the steak perfect way every time. We're gonna put this spike inside the meat, and then we can watch the temperature on the phone. So let's do it.
So I'm gonna put this wireless meter straight in the middle of the steak. And now I can set up everything on my phone. I put type of the steak and then temperature I want to cook it. And now we are ready to put steak on very hot pan with some vegetable oil and sear it until we get nice crust. Something like this. And do the same on another side. And don't forget to sear even side of the steak and special part with the fat on it. When you get nice color everywhere, it's time to put some butter, garlic and fresh thyme and baste it a little bit. And last thing, I'm gonna put the whole pan inside the oven for 200 degrees Celsius. And now we can watch all details in the app. Temperature inside the meat, remaining cooking time, and even graph of the temperature. And like we see, it's time to take the steak out of the oven and get the rest. This app automatically calculates the time when you have to take the steak out of the oven to reach perfect temperature on end of the resting. Temperature inside the meat now is just 50 degrees Celsius, but after 5 minutes resting will be 57 for perfect medium rare steak. This app with a meter just works like a magic every time. And that's it. You can take the spike out of the meat and it's ready to cut. Enjoy, guys.
This is amazing steak, guys. If you never had steak like this, you should absolutely try. And because I use this thermometer, it's perfectly cooked on medium rare, how I like. So if you wanna cook the same steak and you wanna use the thermometer, I got the link in the description down below so you can check it out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. From now on, you should know how to cook the perfect steaks at home. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.